Welcome to the product demo of the Wood-Mizer LX30 portable sawmill. Available worldwide, the LX30 combines sawyer-friendly features with an entry-level price, making it an exceptional value for anyone who wants the freedom of sawing their own boards and slabs. With the LX30 portable sawmill, owning a Wood-Mizer is now more affordable than ever. Let's take a look. Saw softwood and hardwood logs up to 22 inches or 55 centimeters in diameter with a 21.5 inch or 54 centimeter width of cut and a 7.5 inch or 19 centimeter depth of cut. Enough capacity for the hobby sawyer. A powerful and dependable Command Pro 9.5 horsepower gas engine features quad clean, all-season 4-stage cyclonic air filter for effective engine protection even in tough and dirty sawing conditions. Plus, a large capacity fuel tank means more time sawing and less time refueling. More power options make the LX30 a mill that meets a wide range of sawing needs. The LX30 sawmill frame is constructed of premium steel to hold the controls, engine, and sawmill head in a strong and stable structure. For smooth and accurate sawing, the sawmill frame runs forward and reverse on the sawmill bed using high-quality enclosed rollers that are protected from sawdust and debris. Quickly and accurately move the sawhead up and down to prepare for sawing with a crank handle located at a comfortable height for sawyers. Easily turn the handle clockwise or counterclockwise to adjust the blade height for the next cut. A log scale is also included for sawing 8/4, 6/4, 5/4, 4/4, and 3/4 lumber. Keep sawdust away from the band wheels, belts, and sawmill blade with a sawdust port conveniently located on the opposite side of the operator. The throttle lever revs the engine and engages the sawmill blade at the same time using a convenient and reliable centrifugal clutch, so you can rev up and run your mill without extra steps. The LX30 uses 126-inch or 3.2 meter length sawmill blades that run on belted 16-inch or 400mm diameter cast iron band wheels for additional stability in the cut. With the ability to saw as precise as 1/16 or 2mm with a thin curve sawmill blade, you can get the most usable lumber out of every log. High-performance blade guide rollers provide extra support and stability for sawmill blades to saw accurately and consistently compared to blade guide blocks. In addition to continuously feeding the blades, the blade guide rollers apply downward pressure on the blade while sawing for better cut quality. Keep the sawmill blade cool and free of pitch, sap, and sawdust while sawing with a gravity-fed blade lubrication that applies directly to the blade. A water tank conveniently located close to the operator is easy to refill and features an on-off valve for consistently distributing lubrication to the blade. Sawmill blade changes are easy with a one-piece sawhead cover that is secured by 2 inside clips. The space-saving cover opens above the sawmill and locks into place for convenience and safety. To change a sawmill blade, simply release the blade tension, replace the blade, and tension the blade with the simple screw indicator without having to remove any extra parts. The sawmill bed features laser-cut steel bed rails and cross-sections with wide top surface areas for easier log handling. Wood runners are recommended to provide an elevated working height and extra rigidity. A helpful tip, when using green or undried wood for runners, add a few horizontal crossbars to help stabilize movement caused by changes in wood moisture content. Constructed of strong tube steel, the quick-set log clamp tightly fastens logs for sawing and is adjustable up and down and in out as material is cut. 2 strong steel quick-lock drop-in side supports use a convenient and secure notching system for fast adjustment between cuts and when turning logs. An additional built-in side support on each cross-section eliminates the need for quick-lock side supports while sawing a squared cant and allows for final cuts as low as 1 inch or 25mm of the bed. The LX30 can saw logs up to 10 feet 10 inches or 3.3 meters in length with the included sawmill bed sections. Optional 4 feet or 1.2 meter bed extensions are available for sawing longer lengths with no practical limit. Manufacturing of the LX30 portable sawmill by the Wood-Mizer owned and operated factory in Poland provides for the best combination of premium quality equipment at a low cost to you. With decades of manufacturing experience, Wood-Mizer employees in Poland have been manufacturing high-quality Wood-Mizer equipment for global markets since 1990. Sales of parts and blades, service, and support are always available through your local Wood-Mizer representative. The LX30 portable sawmill ships on a single pallet with a pre-assembled saw head and requires minimal assembly time, so you can start sawing within a few hours of receiving your sawmill. For locations requiring CE certification, the LX30 sawmill meets the necessary standards for these markets and is available worldwide. Thank you for watching the demo of the LX30 portable sawmill. For more information or to order, visit woodmizer.com or contact your local Wood-Mizer representative.